Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2008 Nissan Versa. This vehicle has 180,000 plus miles on it, and my job is to change the motor mount, the upper motor mount right here. As you can see, this motor mount is cracked right under here. It's cracked, and you see how much it shakes. It's cracked there all the way through, and you can see it goes all the way back here, the motor mount. Hope you can see this. Then I got the flashlight on there. No, because I wanted to show him the crack in there. So I'm gonna be changing this motor mount. I have the new motor mount. She ordered it on eBay. The auto parts was charging her like $59. She got it on eBay for I think it was $23, $22. I'm not really sure. And it's remarkable new power. And it goes to the picture right here, and then it's torque strut mount, and that's the part number. So my job is to change this motor mount. What's happening is this engine moves, and it's because this motor mount is cracked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change it. And what you're gonna need is, show them what they're gonna need, Mama.
Yes.
You're gonna need, is that a 19 millimeter, Mama? Yep, you're gonna need a 19 millimeter socket. You're definitely gonna need a breaker bar. This is a 1/2 inch. And also, once you break it, you're gonna need a 1/2 inch ratchet. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna have my daughter
Hold the camera.
hold the camera. Right, Mama? You're gonna hold the camera? Okay, Mama, here, hold the camera. Remember, don't cover the middle. And I need you to point right here, okay? This is the first one we're gonna crack. So you're gonna take the 19 millimeter socket, and you're gonna put it in here. And you're gonna, oh baby, that thing is hard.
Huh?
Yeah, it's tough. Ah, okay, we loosen it up. So just keep pointing right there, Mama. Keep pointing right there so they can see it. Okay, so it's loose. So now we're gonna, over here, Mama, we're gonna loosen this one up. Go a little back. Go a little back. Right there. And then we're just gonna, Daddy's gonna go up. Ooh, boy, girl.
That was big?
Yeah, that was tough. So now that it's loose, we're gonna take it out of the breaker bar. And we're gonna use the ratchet. And I need you to point over here, okay, Mama? I need you to point there.
I am.
Okay, you're doing a good job.
My tears is coming out.
The tears is coming out because it's cold. Okay? You pointing right there? Mm-hmm. Okay. Good job, baby. The camera fell on her. And we're gonna keep going here, Mama. Keep pointing there. Keep pointing right in there, okay? Right in here. Okay, we almost done.
Almost done?
Mm-hmm. Yes, just keep pointing down, it's okay. You're doing a great job, baby. Believe me, our friends is gonna appreciate it.
Oh.
It's okay. Point right there. Right in there.
It's cold.
I know. This is what this is what we do, Mama. When people run away from the jobs, me and you do it. Are you pointing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. It's taking long, Mama, because
your gloves look like minty.
Minty? Yeah.
No, a My Little Pony one.
This one must be a long bow, baby. Look at this. Woo!
It is.
It is a long one, huh? Look at how long it is. Are you pointing at it? Yeah, point at it.
Are you taking it out?
Yeah, I gotta take it out so I can put the new motor mount. Okay, so that one is out.
Oh, yeah, it's long.
It's long. Now we gotta take this one. Now point over here. Go back a little bit.
It is.
Oh, you're doing a great job. So now we took it out. Just remember which one goes where. Just remember which one goes where. From when you put them back. Okay, baby. Yeah, you want to hold it? Okay, so here you go. Just remember this one. Mama, point at the camera. This one goes in the bottom. And show him which one goes in the top, Mama. That bowl. The one you have in your hand. That one goes in the top. Now, what we're going to do is, the same way we took it out, now we're going to put this one in. So you just go straight in. You got two holes there. You got the hole and the one in the top. And they go straight in. Are you pointing in there, Mama?
It slips in.
Yeah, it slipped. There you go, Mama. You got it. It slips right in. Okay? So then, once you slip that one in, you want to put this bowl.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. Let me go get the washer. No, Mama, point the camera down there. Point the camera. Make sure it has a washer.
That's the washer?
Yeah, the washer goes in. Make sure you lift it up a little bit.
To get it washed up?
Not washed up, Mama. To get it nice and snug in there. It has to go nice and snug. There you go.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
almost done.
Yes, baby. We just gotta put it in here. Ooh, that one is tough.
You're moving my
Give me the one you have in your hand. So now we're gonna put this one
He was moving my
right in
leg.
here, and it goes straight down.
It just slips in.
Yeah, it slips in, Mama.
Because those squates.
Yeah, point at it.
I am.
Okay. We want our friends to see it. Then you just want to screw it in with by hand.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
that
we got
thing
it
is
in?
dirty.
Huh?
That thing is dirty.
I know. We're gonna clean it for them. So now, once you put that one in, with your fingers nice and tight, make sure you pass this hole and the hole in the bottom. Then you want to put this one in. Make sure you put it straight in. There you go. Good job, baby.
There's a 4, a
Huh?
4, a 8.
Yeah.
6,
So you want to put it.
5.
Make sure it goes in through here. Come around here, Mama. Show them over here. Show them there. Then you want it to go right in here where the engine is at. You want this bolt to go right through it. Okay, Mama. Stay right there. Stay right there.
You will snug it in.
Yeah, we got to put it in, Mama.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Spaghetti-o. Are you pointing at it? You got to point at it, baby. You got to point at it. You pointing the camera there?
Hmm?
You're doing a great job, baby.
It's just hitting that line.
Yeah. But as long as they see what you're doing. See, once it goes in through here, you want it to go in through the motor here and be nice and tight. This one you make sure that it's down there, that is straight, you see? You got to keep putting it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all in, both of them, and I'll be right back. So there you go. Once I screwed them all in, both of them, I think my daughter did a good job with the camera. I'm training her to be the camera girl because she's always with me. So let me just give you a quick recap of what I did. Remember, I took it out from here. Just make sure that it has a washer in there. And when you put it in through there, you want it to go through here, through the engine. And, oh, that's a much difference. So what I did was I used my socket to screw it in. And what I'm going to use now is the same breaker bar that I broke it with. And I'm just going to put some torque into it. I don't know how much is the torque. Look at your owner's manual to see what is on your spec on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to screw it in more. The same thing that I felt when I was when I broke them off. There you go. Now I'm going to this one. There we go. Same, I'm going to go the same feel that I had when I broke it off. Because remember, this thing right here, you know, it's going to be shaking when the car is moving. So you don't want it too tight and you don't want it too low. So make sure you look at your owner's manual to see what is the spec. I do not know what the spec is. So just going for the same feel for when I take it off. There you go. Here. Okay. Nice. That's good. One more time. One more time, we should be good. So here you go, my friends and my YouTube friends. This is how you change motor mount, the upper motor mount of 2008 Nissan Versa. And let me see, this one is all rusty. Like I said, this car has 180,000 plus miles on it, and it was that time to change it anyway. As you can see, the crack is all the way. Sorry, let me see. It's hard to do it with one hand. As you can see, the whole crack is right in there, and it goes all the way out there. So here's the reason why we changed the motor mount. She wanted to change, so we changed it. She got a good price on it. First, I want to thank Kuda for bringing it to my attention. I put this motor mount backwards. The heavy part with the metal is supposed to be in the top. I was going to delete the whole video. But I said, you know what? It's okay to make mistakes. So I got the car back and I just loosened up the bolts. These are 19 millimeters. I loosened them up. Like I said, it is backwards. If you look in the beginning, this bottom piece should be in the top. I'm going to show you. So I already loosened them up. And I want to thank Kuda for bringing it to my attention. I really appreciate it. He knows I'm a non-mechanic and I'm always helping people. And he didn't criticize me or nothing. He just told me about it. And he's absolutely right. So we're going to just pull it like we did before. And I'm going to show you what part. See? It was like this. And in reality, this part right here, let me see if you can see that. This part right here should be in the top. Not the way I had it like this in the bottom. And I appreciate it, Kuda. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. And it's okay to make mistakes if you're working on your own car. So all I'm going to do is just turn it around and put it in. And like I said, I was going to delete the other video. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this part of the video with that part, because it's okay to make mistakes. And I appreciate people like that when they don't criticize. Make sure you know which bolt goes where. You want to put it in there. I think I already showed this part, but there you go. And this one is going to go in there. And it's actually, he is correct. And I thank you, Kuda. You didn't criticize me. You didn't bash me. You sent me an email. You asked me for my email and you brought it to my attention. And I really appreciate that. I got the car back. And I'm correcting it. And you did not criticize me about it. So maybe one day somebody's gonna watch this video and see the mistake I made, and they don't have to make the mistake. So whenever I make mistakes, I correct them, and I try to videotape them. And that's what I'm doing right now, correcting my mistake. It's not something very severe, but it's something you want to do correctly, and that's what I'm doing right now. Correcting it. That's what I'm doing. So you want to use the same breaker bar like I showed before, but I'll show it again. So there you go, my YouTube friend. Make sure that this part, this metal piece, is in the top. As you've seen through the whole video, I had it the other way around, and I am glad that my friend Kuda brought it to my attention. And if you did it, it's okay. All you have to do is just take it out again and put it back. Let me get you closer so you can see the metal I'm talking about. Right there, this metal piece right here, you want to make sure that it's in the top, not in the bottom like I had it. And I thank you. I thank all those people that support me and help me even when I make mistakes. And I thank you, Kuda. Thank all those that also help me. Once again, this is Non Mechanic. Thank you for watching. Later.